What's up, metalheads, freaks, and geeks? Friday night store run after the 907 Global Music Co-op number 196. Stopped in to see my niece down at the store where she's working. Dropped off a beanie that Vivian gave me, and gave it to her, one of the black ones, and she likes it, she'll wear it. So Vivian, thank you for that, appreciate it. Got my mail, got some grub, got some tri-tip steaks on sale, and some New York strips on sale, so that's cool. Now I'm just on my way home. See your beanie, Vivian? Can you see the beanie? The beanie! Got Vivian's beanie on. Let's rip home, man. I'm riding on the plowed bike path, which will be a quick trip home. Got my coffee. It's about 27. Well, it was like 32 when I left the house, so might have dropped a little bit. We'll see when we get up here what the temperature is. They don't have it. It's my U-Haul. Right on. Just gonna cruise the bike path all the way home. Got more lighting out here so you can see more of what's going on. Camera froze. There we go. See, it's 31 degrees out, Fahrenheit. -1 Celsius. Not too bad. Got my coffee down here. Gonna take a swig of that. There I go. I'm glad somebody plowed the bike path. here doesn't look plowed, but I think I can make it. I'm in 4-wheel drive, I should be good. It's packed down from snowmobiles and shit. As long as you stay on the path. Oh shit, the bike path's over there. I hope I can get out up here without going over a big ass bump. Right on. Cool. Heading home. About 6:30, something like that. Gonna eat some dinner and then go see what's happening online. But you guys probably won't get this video until Saturday night, Saturday afternoon, something like that. Yeah. I'll probably do some gaming Saturday night and get set up for the Hippie 360 montage on Sunday. So guys, get your sponsors, get your video in, and if you have a video you want shared on Sunday, send it in, sponsor or not. If there's a spot for you, we'll get you on there on the show. Right on. Put on my ATV and I got it hooked up and running. I'll make a small video of that tomorrow. And show you what I had to do. because it's 25 and above, minimum 20 degrees out Fahrenheit. I'll go out if I have to, but it's just hard on my machine to get them started and warmed up, and I don't like doing that to them. But if you can see the driveway, I plowed all this with my plow. You see how it's all piled up on the left? Right on. And then over here, let's see if I can get some light on it. You see over there, and then there's my plow. I got it covered up so snow doesn't get on it if it does snow, and then I got my ATV covered up too. So yeah. But yeah, my lean-to is working out pretty good. And yeah, plow worked pretty good. Wow. Right on. But yeah, I even went up in here and plowed this. All of this is plow with my ATV, man. All of that got pushed up in there, so it turned out pretty damn good. So it does do a job. I'd recommend no more than 5 to 6 inches of plow to do it, but because it's just too much strain on the ATV. But it is capable of plowing out about 6 inches, basically. Not so much the wet, heavy stuff. It could do it, but normally like the regular fluffy snow. As you can see, it did a pretty clean job of it. See if I can get in here without wrecking my buggy. Pushed it all up in there, except for this part right here. I got to get that, but I have to have my Kawasaki out of the way for that. But yeah. Right on. I got to take my groceries in and get them unpacked. Cook myself something for dinner, and then I'm gonna sit down and see what's online for the rest of the night. I know Hubs is gonna be on later, like 2 a.m. East Coast time, for the house record number 60. But yeah, right on. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. Nothing special. Always hope to catch a moose. That's why I record on the way home. Hopefully get a moose to come out or be out on the road so you guys can catch it too. But otherwise, uneventful rides back and forth to the store. Unless, of course, I see a moose or a wreck or something like that. I still never figured out or found out what happened to that guy that was in that near-fatal accident video that I posted. Hopefully, the airbag saved him. He didn't perish. And yeah, I hope he's on his road to recovery, man. But he hit pretty fucking hard. I mean, boom, dead stop right in the middle of the road, man. Doing about 55, 60. So the only saving grace for him was that he did have airbags in his car. And when they pulled him out, he was shallow breathing. So yeah, he was just unconscious. Hopefully he made it out okay, and he's surviving and in recovery, man. But yeah, I hate filming stuff like that, but I tried to be respectful and not do anything too gruesome, and just giving people the information and stuff. So yeah. But either way, man, tomorrow I'll show you what I did with my plow. And yeah, I posted a small short for Vivian smiling about her beanie that I'm wearing and stuff. So yeah, Vivian, it works good. Kept my ears warm the whole way there, man, and pretty comfy too, man. And my niece does dig her black beanie. One of that black beanie you sent me, I ended up giving that to her, man. So yeah, right on, folks.
Love, peace, hippie grease. Have a great night, and we'll see you around in the chat somewhere, man. Right on.